In this video, I'll guide you what is network load balancer in Google Cloud Platform, why it is required in GCP, and what are the types of network load balancer in Google Cloud Platform. Let's get started. Guys, as you can see here, network load balancer. Network load balancer operates at transport layer. It means it only understands the TCP UDP packets and distribute traffic based on IP addresses and ports. Network load balancer offer faster traffic distribution compared to ALB as they do not have to analyze application logic in each packets. NLB continuously monitor the healthy of the backend instances and automatically redirect traffic away from unhealthy ones, ensuring service continuity. Network load balancer provides simpler routing option based on network infrastructure, making it faster and more efficient for basic traffic distribution. Network load balancer distribute traffic based on IP address, ports, health check. You can direct traffic to specific backend instances based on their IP address, route requests based on the port number they arrive on. For an example, web traffic on port 80, database queries on port 3306, and etc. Guys, NLB offer faster traffic distribution compared to ALB as they do not have analyzed application logic in each packet. NLB continuously monitor the health of your backend instance and automatically redirect traffic away from unhealthy ones and ensuring service continuity. Some scenario for network load balancer as raw performance is crucial. It means guys, application requiring the fastest possible response time with minimal overhead like streaming service or real-time data processing. High availability is essential. The need to ensure the service continuity even if individual backend instance fail with automatic failover to healthy ones. Global deployment serve user across the different regions efficiently with traffic. Now guys, the network load balancer further divided into two types: proxy network load balancer, pass-through network load balancer. Let's discuss one by one so that you can easily understand it. Guys, what is a proxy network load balancer in Google Cloud Platform? Proxy network load balancer in GCP are specific type of network load balancer that introduce an additional layer of functionality compared to standard NLB. They operate layer 4 TCP UDP but act as an intermediary between the clients and your backend instances, establishing their own connection with both parties. This provides several advantages over standard NLB like SSL offloading. Proxy NLB can handle SSL, TLS, encryption, decryption, reducing workload on your backend server and potentially improving performance. Content switching redirect traffic based on specific criteria like URL, path or custom header, allowing for testing, localized version and maintenance bypasses and more. Global load balancing distribute traffic across the backend instance in multiple regions while maintaining client connection, ensuring a consistent user experience. And guys, application require SSL offloading and enhanced security. Proxy NLP can offload encryption, decryption and integrate seamlessly with web application firewall. Deployment with content switching needs. Guys, now we'll discuss what is pass-through network load balancer in GCP. In GCP, pass-through network load balancer offer a simpler and more efficient alternative to regular NLB. They operate layer 4 TCP UDP similar to standard NLB but with key difference as Direct connection. Pass-through NLP do not establish their own connection with clients like proxy NLP. Instead, they pass incoming traffic directly to your backend instances without any intermediary proxy. This results in several advantages like faster performance, simpler configuration, preserve client IP addresses, and more. The ideal use cases for pass-through network load balancer, as it is suitable for scenario where basic layer for traffic distribution is sufficient and advanced features like content switching or SSL offloading are not needed. Now guys, I hope so you understand what is load balancer and how many types of load balancer in Google Cloud Platform. Thank you and see you in the next session and have a great day.